Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 16, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 16, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, January 16, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 16, 2026, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, January 16, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 16, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.